Hello and greetings from Greenwood. This is Pascal here. I'm going to show you my EX200 that I'm selling right now. So here's the machine at a glance. The paint has never been redone, obviously. Here's on the front left, I painted in red the front three rollers that are damaged. Here's the shot of just the tracks that you wanted. Oh, for some reason it's zooming. Sorry. There we go. Hope that's good enough for you. Maybe like this is what you wanted. I don't know. The machine's a little filthy. Sorry. I was just doing quite a bit of work up in the bush with it a little while ago for my firewood projects. Now the machine's cold, so I'm going to start it up in a second for you. Okay. Obviously 2 fire extinguishers. We've got the oil filter caps, tighteners. Got a new air filter in here. Secondary is really clean. Here, one of these batteries is pretty much brand new, but I made a mistake. I didn't have my cables on tight enough, so I have to have a copper lug there. Now it works really nice and sound. Here's that fuse I was talking about, that I was saying with the automatic quick heat. That's that I said I was having problems with. I'm actually not going to bother closing her up here. Now I'm not, I'm being pretty honest here. I'm not trying to make it seem like it's something that it's not. So nothing here is altered. Here's obviously here's the pilot pump, which has got a slight leak. Nothing major, just a little drip. And the hydraulic pump. The machine runs real smooth. Here's what I use to fill the fuel and some other goodies. And a fuel cap, not a big deal, I'm sure. Here's the main pivot gear. Oil, I guess you can't really see it, but it's clean and it's full. Now, the leak that I was talking about, that's on the main control valve. I'm pretty sure it's coming from this 3-bolt block here. That's what the mechanic told me. But that part's pretty expensive. Here's for the hammer, the hydraulic valve. It looks like a 1-inch, and it goes up all the way over the machine to the top there. I took it off. And here's the engine right here. It's got the newer turbo right there. All the glow plugs are running nicely, except for this one. I pulled the screw off, so $120 for these glow plugs on this machine. Oil's good. It should have the filters and the oil changed, but there is no leak on the oil. I only have one hand here, so I'll put you down. There we go. So, that top boom right there, that top ram, is the one that has a bit of a leak on the seal, on the packing kit. There's a few of the grease nipples that need to be replaced. I just pumped those ones with extra grease, make sure the pieces that need grease get grease. And I only use really the good stuff, the good grease. Now, mechanic was telling me, I forget which one it was, but he's thinking it's leaking. I think the seal inside of there is worn out or something. So here's the machine on the cold start. A little dusty. Be sure to clean it up first. So everything comes on. But as I said, I have to do the automatic, the manual quick heat, which I turn to the left. You only really need to do this on a cold day. It starts pretty much anyways on a not cold day. So here we have got the power modes, economy, low, and idle, of course. The temperature, automatic temperature increasing is working. The automatic idle works. I hope you can hear the sounds of the engine. All the controls for the grading, speed controls work. I won't do too much with the machine right now.